There is so much background noise and I nearly fell over. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're moving. At the moment, this is what we've got. Yeah, so this is just from the cupboard so far. We've got, you know, all that stuff I showed you out there. We've already taken that to the farm. Okay, so before we leave, I'll show you what we've done, or what Brendan's done today. So this is where we're going to be moving. Put all these boxes in here. This is all our shit. All that. All this. His back of the car is all filled, so I'll go out there now. It's stacked. Oh, there's my fishing rod! I forgot I had one of those.
Is it recording?
Yeah! Wait, look at him. Show him. Meow! Mom! It is moving day today, the 21st of September, and we're moving. I don't even know if we're allowed to be moving in COVID, but we're moving today. We're getting the van from the farm. I have been really bad with actually like updating you guys because we've been moving heaps of stuff at the moment, like taking trips up in the back of his car, and that's just been from the garage and some from the room. But otherwise, it is like 10:30 in the morning and we're about to go grab the van, start pack-a-dacking. They forgot to tell us, so we only had like a week to move. Yeah, the homeowner's moving back in. I'm just outside with Skittles. What are you doing?
Just a little load.
Oh.
This is just all the leftover stuff in the garage.
Yeah, that's to go with this stuff here. We've been taking little trips.
I really got to learn how to tie a truckie's knot.
Didn't you go to Scouts?
No.
Oh.
I'm just good like that.
Of
Except
course.
for knots. I can't do knots. Like I can do like a slip knot and stuff like that, but everyone can do that.
Why do I feel like a car just rolled? We bought this swag, right, from King's ages ago, and then we had to get one of these ordered in because they didn't have the bag. We put it on, and then the zip just completely broke.
Yeah, I went to zip it up, and it just went whoop, like it's faulty. It's not even been sewed.
Yeah.
Look.
And then Brendan accidentally like zipped the zip
Then
all the way
I did the
up.
second one. Whoop.
Thank you. The van we're buying. I'm gonna have one. I'll do it in the camera. That was just chocolate.
No.
1 year free stay.
Yeah, bad.
Hey, Mom. No, I'm not going to shut up. I'm going to continue to talk.
I knew they'd be terrible. I've had them before.
Basically, Tyler's won a free skate school.
I've also had them before. I just thought maybe because I like alcohol now it should be better.
Nope.
We got the bed, the cabinet, the mattress. We honestly don't have that much stuff. We have a fridge and another cupboard and the TV. So empty. Mind what I'm wearing, my moving gear. I'm gonna miss this room because I was actually really excited to start doing my YouTube channel in here because I thought it was such good lighting and so appealing to look at, where my other house is a farm and it's not pretty.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine.
You can't really see, but they loaded, fully loaded. Fuck me, I don't feel good. Oh, another one.
And that's the last one.
No more photos or anything in this mirror. No more showers in my shower.
I'll put them on the dash.
Oh yeah, I'll do that. Let's go, little guys.
I should just probably sweep it, yeah.
Never had to transport sea monkeys. Oh, I got little ones. You can go for a little ride, sea monkeys. Have fun. I'll look after you, don't worry. Surely I don't show you all this like ratchet shit, but I want to. This is me, it's my life. See your house.
Watch those sea monkeys.
Yeah. Alright, I've got too many things to look after now. I'll see you all when we're at the house. Work in progress, mate. Did well. Kitty's still in the car and
He's happy.
he's doing well, I know. They put the cat thing on the door already. Massive cupboard space. It's awesome. TV's in there. But yeah, there's so much room. It's good.